Hey there, crypto enthusiasts and market observers. Welcome back to Key to Crypto, your go-to hub for everything crypto. Today we'll be diving deep into MicroStrategy's Saylor and his insights on Bitcoin. But first, who is Michael Saylor? He is currently serving as executive chairman since August 2022. Saylor is more than just a key figure at MicroStrategy. He's a visionary, a co-founder, and an influential leader who's been at the helm for many years. His extensive journey within the company includes serving as chief executive officer from 1989 to 2022 and holding the esteemed position of chairman of the board of directors, a role he's held since the inception of the company. He's also an American entrepreneur, executive, inventor, author, and philanthropist. His early years were spent in a military family, giving him a unique upbringing on various U.S. Air Force bases around the world. He finally settled at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base near Dayton, Ohio, known as the birthplace of aviation.
After his consulting career, Saylor founded MicroStrategy, a technology company that focuses on business intelligence and mobile software development. MicroStrategy quickly rose to prominence and became a leading player in the business intelligence market. Saylor's leadership and vision propelled the company's success, and he became a prominent figure in the tech industry. However, it was in 2020 that Michael Saylor truly made headlines and captured the attention of the financial world. In August of that year, MicroStrategy made a significant announcement. The company had invested $250 million of its cash reserves in Bitcoin, the popular cryptocurrency. This move marked the beginning of a new era for MicroStrategy and Saylor himself. Saylor's decision to invest in Bitcoin was driven by his belief in the potential of the digital currency. He saw Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and a store of value that could protect MicroStrategy's assets and ultimately increase shareholder value. Saylor's decision was met with skepticism and criticism from some quarters, as Bitcoin was still relatively new and considered a risky investment by many. Undeterred by the naysayers, Saylor continued to advocate for Bitcoin and its potential benefits. He embarked on a mission to educate himself and others about the digital currency, becoming one of its most vocal proponents. Saylor's deep dives into Bitcoin technology, economics, and its role in the future of finance became legendary. He took to social media interviews and even hosted multiple conferences to spread the Bitcoin gospel. But Saylor didn't stop at just investing $250 million in Bitcoin. In the months that followed, MicroStrategy made several additional purchases of the cryptocurrency, eventually accumulating over 100,000 Bitcoins with a total value of billions of dollars. This made MicroStrategy one of the largest institutional holders of Bitcoin in the world. Saylor's bold moves caught the attention of other companies and institutional investors. His advocacy for Bitcoin and the success of MicroStrategy's investment strategy inspired others to follow suit. Companies like Square and Tesla, led by Elon Musk, also started investing in Bitcoin. This institutional adoption of Bitcoin helped to further legitimize the digital currency and solidify its place in the mainstream financial world. Saylor's passion for Bitcoin wasn't just limited to his own company's investments. He also launched the Bitcoin for Corporations program, a series of educational courses and resources aimed at helping other companies navigate the world of cryptocurrency and make informed investment decisions. Through this program, Saylor aimed to demystify Bitcoin and teach companies how to incorporate it into their treasury reserves. Saylor's relentless pursuit of educating others about Bitcoin has earned him a reputation as one of the most influential figures in the cryptocurrency space. His outspoken support for the digital currency has played a significant role in driving its widespread adoption and acceptance by the traditional financial industry. His efforts have helped to reshape the narrative around Bitcoin and position it as a viable alternative to traditional fiat currencies. In addition to his work with Bitcoin, Saylor is also known for his philanthropic endeavors. He has donated a significant portion of his wealth to various causes, focusing on education and technological advancements. Saylor's dedication to giving back and improving the world through technology aligns with his belief in the transformative power of Bitcoin and its potential to revolutionize the global financial system. Michael Saylor's journey from a consulting career to becoming a prominent figure in the tech industry and a leading advocate for Bitcoin is a testament to his vision, determination, and belief in the power of innovation. His bold investments and unwavering support have played a pivotal role in reshaping the world of finance and positioning Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class. As the cryptocurrency continues to gain mainstream acceptance, Saylor's influence and impact on the industry are sure to be remembered for years to come. This is a remarkable moment in Wall Street history. Billionaire Michael Saylor just made a bold appearance on live TV today, proclaiming his belief that the demand for Bitcoin is about to surge while the supply is set to decrease. Currently, most of the natural sellers of Bitcoin in the market are Bitcoin miners who sell to cover their electricity costs, capital expenses, and debt repayment, amounting to roughly $1 billion each month. However, this situation is bound to change, with the protocol forcing the supply to be cut in half come late April next year, so that $1 billion natural selling per year will turn into a mere $6 billion. Simultaneously, factors like spot Bitcoin ETFs are poised to amplify the demand for Bitcoin. This unique combination of expanding demand and contracting supply has many, including Michael Saylor, bullish about the next 12 months. The unprecedented nature of this situation is attracting the attention of not just Michael Saylor, but many other billionaires who are diving into the Bitcoin market. MicroStrategy, Saylor's company, recently acquired another 155 BTC. And their bullish thesis revolves around viewing Bitcoin as digital property without the risks and liabilities of commercial real estate, a digital commodity without the risks of gold, and a digital tech investment without the risks of big tech. Switching gears to the macroeconomic front, the Federal Reserve, in its latest meeting, chose to leave the policy interest rate unchanged. This decision reflects their cautious approach to economic policy, driven by the need to maintain a restrictive stance on monetary policy to curb inflation and manage economic activity. While Fed Chair Powell's communication seems to indicate a level of uncertainty, his reluctance to make swift decisions suggests he's wary of inadvertently destabilizing the economy. In essence, he's treading carefully. The key takeaway here is that the Fed's stance on monetary policy is driven by a commitment to keeping downward pressure on inflation and economic activity. They are relying on a data-driven approach to make future decisions, and it's evident that they are taking their time to ensure they don't push the economy too far, too fast. Interestingly, around the same time, Elon Musk made waves on the Joe Rogan Experience by critiquing NFTs, non-fungible tokens. His remarks caught the attention of Bitcoin enthusiasts who celebrated his insights. Musk's critique centered around the fact that many NFTs are not stored on the blockchain, but are merely URLs to JPEG images. He argued that it would make more sense to encode the image on the blockchain, ensuring its permanence, particularly in the event of the hosting company going out of business. However, it's important to note that Musk's statement isn't universally accurate. While some NFT projects are indeed centralized, there are instances, especially on Ethereum, where digital art is stored directly on the blockchain. NFTs act as proof of ownership, rather than housing the art itself. Musk's comments tap into the common misconception that an NFT contains the digital asset. Instead, it's a unique proof of ownership connected to an item, whether it's digital artwork, a video game item, or even a physical object like a wristwatch.
Before we continue, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our uploads.
Now, let's shift our focus to PayPal. The payment giant has been served with a subpoena by the US SEC regarding its US dollar-pegged stablecoin, which was received on November 1st. The subpoena specifically requests PayPal to produce certain documents, and they have stated that they are cooperating with the SEC regarding this request. This development underscores the growing awareness, maturation, and mainstream adoption of the cryptocurrency space. Bitcoin is receiving increased recognition, with industry titans like Larry Fink referring to it as a flight to quality, Bill Miller acknowledging it as a legitimate asset embraced by an entire generation, and Mohamed El-Erian emphasizing its role as a safe haven asset. Moreover, Bitcoin is gaining substantial coverage on news networks and in mainstream media, with an expanding array of voices from Wall Street and new advocates entering the cryptocurrency community. This evolving landscape is fostering financial education for a new generation of investors, and these developments are set to continue in the coming year. The cycle of awareness, investment, news coverage, and institutional support is intensifying, creating a momentum that drives Bitcoin's growth. In a brief update, jury directions have commenced in Sam Bankman-Fried's criminal trial. This marks a noteworthy development in a case that has garnered significant attention and will keep you updated on its unfolding events.
That's it for now. If you enjoyed today's content, show your support with a like and hit that subscribe button. Together, let's build a community where curiosity and wisdom are freely exchanged and nurtured. Until next time, and remember, the future of finance is here with KTC.